Alright, so today I'm going to change the dome in my Nissan Versa. Here you go. This light, as you can see, it's fucking whack. I don't know. But I rent cars, and no bueno. There's only one in this little car. It's a Nissan Versa 2014, and this is the light that it takes. I took it out. I should have just waited. It's the DE3175. This is like the brightest one they have at AutoZone. It's really small. So first you're gonna grab a little spatula, a screwdriver, flathead, and you see you got two little things right here. Take it off here, or you can do it on this side. But I find it, I would just go like this. Okay. Let's take. Oh, here's my fault too. Boom. So here's what it looks like inside. There's a light bulb. So the way you take this out is, see right here, it's got nothing holding it, but right here you got this little thing right here. So just press that and press it, and I'm just trying to do it so the camera can see it. Just do this angle. Anyway, pull it back, and then the ball should fall out. Oh, it just fell. I was trying to catch it. Alright. Here's a little old bulb. Oh, I gotta look for the LED. Oh, here it is. Alright, so we're gonna put this one. I don't think it matters which way you put it. I'm pretty sure they're both the same. Looks like the same. So, wait, I'll make you. So this is how you got a little hole there, and then you got this one there. So I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's do it this way. Oh man! All right, so looking at the camera and doing this, it looks easier than it is. Let's see if I can put it. If not, my bad. I'm sorry, but you get it. Alright. I don't know if you saw it, but here it is. You put it on this side first, and then this one's basically gonna click in. Put it on this side first, this is gonna click in. Boom. Let's put it on. Oh. So see if it's on. Oh. Dang, it don't look that bright. Let's put this on and see how it looks. I paid $12 for this. This better be I wonder if I'm gonna have to go on Amazon. Let me see. Alright, and the way you put this back, you're gonna this got like a little hook. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. See a little hook? You're gonna boom, hook it there. I heard a little click. Boom, boom. It's on. Man, that looks the same. Just different color. Well, that's how you change a dome. I'm gonna have to buy one from Amazon.